Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and this is the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with dollar index. The dollar index is trading at 106.30. Today the results of the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy meeting will be published. It is expected that the regulator will keep the rate at 5.5%, while traders' attention will be focused on the comments of Chairman Jerome Powell. Market participants fear that financial authorities will take a hawkish position, hinting that the policy easing will begin only in the fall, since inflation pressure in the national economy has been increasing for several months in a row. Thus, in March, the figure was 3.5%, moving further and further away from the target level of 2%. Some analysts admit that the American regulator will not reduce the rate this year. Against this background, the dollar's growth may continue. Next, Euro-USD. The Euro-USD pair is trading at 1.0650. Market participants expect a contrast in the monetary policies of the European Central Bank and the Federal Reserve System, which will continue to support the dollar and put pressure on the euro. According to forecasts, the European regulator will begin reducing interest rates in June, and the American regulator not earlier than September. The ECB's determination is reinforced by the latest inflation data in the eurozone. Thus, in April, the consumer price index remained at 4.2% in annual terms, while core inflation decreased from 2.9% to 2.7%. Thus, inflation pressure is weakening, creating the preconditions for reducing the key interest rate. In the US, the inflation rate is 3.5%. Against this background, the euro may remain under pressure. And finally, oil. Oil holds its position at $81 per barrel. Pressure on prices is exerted by the publication of February data on oil production and exports to the United States. The Energy Information Administration reported yesterday that oil production exceeded 13 million barrels per day in February, while exports rose from 4 million barrels to 4.66 million barrels per day. Quotes were also negatively affected by the strengthening of the dollar and an increase in U.S. oil reserves, according to the American Petroleum Institute. Today, the increase in reserves can be confirmed by the Administration of Energy Information. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.